Have you ever been in a situation where you want to high five, but there's no one around? You need to flip someone off, but your middle finger is broken. Or have you ever just needed an extra hand? Well, this young team of innovators have the perfect product for you. Posted at Southeastern Louisiana University's very own iHub, Kiara Stewart has the latest on this story.
Thanks, Carrington. But I'm actually in Tennessee Learning Center. This is Kiara Stewart with one of the creators of Get a Grip, Sam. So what motivated you to make this product?
My mic. So, something that motivated me to make this product was, there was one day, I was talking to somebody in a different state, and they said the most dumbest thing I could have ever heard. And I was like, man, I really wish I could slap you right now. And so I thought, what if we had a remote-controlled robotic hand so you could smack somebody? And that was the inspiration for this project.
All right, thank you, Sam.
After multiple iterations, the final product was released on April 20th at 11:59 p.m. and immediately sold 69 billion units within the first 3 minutes of it being released, successfully breaking the internet and revolutionizing the tech world.
So Elijah, how much does this product cost?
So we tried our best to make it as economical as possible. We wanted to make sure that everybody had access to smacking their haters or anybody that they really wanted to get back at. So we made it as cheap as possible. It's only $150 before taxes. So it's very affordable. We said we need to make violence affordable, and we made that possible.
And indeed, they did. Satisfied customer reviews praised the product for significantly improving their well-being, with some even claiming it has helped manage their anger issues and depression. Others noted cosmetic benefits.
Our last creator is Jared. So, what can you do with this product?
Thank you. So, first of all, we added a musical module to this so that you can play musical songs. Whatever. You can play music with any gesture, or at least a select few.
Mm-hmm.
You can flip someone off at any distance, which is a very innovative feature that we had to implement, really. Our stock went way up when we added that. And finally, of course, you can high-five someone you could high-five someone from Mars, really any distance.
All right. Thank you, Jared. Now back to you, Carrington.
Thanks, Kira, for that inspirational story. This has been Carrington Wynn with Channel 375, Today's Tech News, signing out.